Hi, I'm Advidanish. Today we are going to revise all the things that we have studied in our previous classes.
Sequences. Sequences are a list of steps that needs to be followed to achieve success. Selections. Selections are the choice we need to choose from according to the given condition. Loops. Loops are basically to repeat any instruction again and again. LED. LED, a light emitting diode, is an output device which glows when current is given to it. The LED has two pins, a longer one called anode and a shorter one called cathode. Anode is the positive pin for the LED and cathode is the negative pin. First, the current goes in through the anode, and when the current flows through the LED, then the LED glows. And after that, the current goes out through the cathode, and this happens again and again. Battery. Battery is a device which contains current. We can use this current to power other devices. It has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Circuit. Circuit is a specific path in which electricity travels. Direction of current. Current always travels from the positive side to the negative side. Jumper wires. Jumper wires are the conducting material in which electricity flows. There are two types of jumper wires, male to male jumper wires and male to female jumper wires. Breadboard. Breadboard is used to make circuits very easy as the holes of breadboard are internally connected. We use it to make the circuit look more organized and make the connections easy, and we can make multiple connections using less wires too. Holes ranging from A to J rows and columns from 1 to 30 are connected. IR sensor. IR sensor or an infrared sensor is an input device. In the IR sensor, there are mainly two parts, a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter transmits some infrared light, and if there is an object over the IR sensor, then the infrared light will get reflected by that object and the receiver will receive it, and the output will go on like that. The IR sensor has three pins, a VCC pin, a GND pin and an out pin. VCC is the positive pin for the IR sensor, GND is the negative pin and out is the output pin. The 3-pin JST connector. The 3-pin JST connector helps us to connect together 3-pin devices. Buzzer. Buzzer is an output device as it gives out sound when activated. It has two pins, a positive pin and a negative pin. Programming cable. Programming cable helps us to connect our WiinBoard to our laptop. It takes current from the laptop and it gives it to the WiinBoard. Our programming cable can also take codes from the laptop which we will upload, and it will give it to the WiinBoard if needed. WiinBoard. WiinBoard is a control system where you can add parts to the build and make a full circuit.
Hope you have all enjoyed our revision video. Thank you.